Hi, I'm Mark Meyer with Enviroguard. Today we're going to be training on how to eliminate odor using vapor form chlorine dioxide. We're going to discuss safety requirements, precautions, specialty tools, best practices, chemical dilutions, chemical concentrations, chemical sizing and treatment types to maximize the results, efficiency, and profit of your odor elimination services. Let's discuss personal protection equipment. Vapor treatments constitute an incidental exposure level where chemical contact is not possible, but where chemical is being handled for preparation of solutions. For hand protection, use nitrile gloves, and for respiratory protection, use the multi-gas, multi-vapor cartridge for your full-face respirator. Make sure that your mask has been fit tested. Chlorine dioxide has been used for the past 200 years for the purposes of disinfection, odor control, and odor elimination. Because it's a strong oxidizer that is both selective and non-reactive, chlorine dioxide is effective in low concentrations. It only attacks organic molecules with electron-rich centers, and it only reacts with sulfuric substances, amines, and reactive organic substances. This specificity provides for a broad range of uses when mitigating odors while not impacting common construction materials such as wood, metals, rubbers, and plastics. Finally, once used, chlorine dioxide only leaves behind a temporary odor, best described as a pool smell, and a microscopic amount of sodium, thereby avoiding unwanted chemical residues and harsh fumes. Chlorine dioxide tabs are great for vapor treatments in areas like automobiles and things as large as hotel rooms. The 20-gram tab should be used for vapor treatments in automobiles, diluted into 4 ounces of water and aerated for up to 75 minutes. The 100-gram tab should be used for vapor treatments in regular-sized hotel rooms and is diluted into a half gallon of water and aerated for up to 3 hours. Chlorine dioxide kits are used for mid-sized to large vapor treatments. The 200-gram kit is commonly used in large hotel rooms as well as in small apartments. It's diluted into 1 gallon of water and is aerated using an efficiency system for up to 7 hours. The 1,000-gram kit is commonly used in apartments, condos, single and multifamily residential, commercial properties, and industrial facilities. Each 1,000-gram kit is diluted into 1.5 gallons of water and is aerated using an efficiency system for up to 12 hours. Selecting the appropriate sized tab or kit should be matched to each job's specific needs. Refer to the chlorine dioxide selection chart and the appropriate production protocol for details. The equipment needed to run your vapor treatment protocol is as follows. Appropriately sized plastic containers for dilution, generally ranging from 4 ounces to as much as 5 gallons. 1 efficiency system per tab or kit used. A ULV fogger such as the B&G unit. 1 chlorine dioxide meter such as the BP Honeywell Gas Alert Extreme chlorine dioxide 0 to 1 part per million unit. Best practices for vapor treatment include: humans and pets should be vacated from the property being treated until clearance is given by the professional contractor. Delicate plants should be removed from the environment prior to treatment. Fish tanks should be covered and aeration should cease during treatment. Humidity in the space should be greater than 50% for best results. Run the fan only in the HVAC system throughout the process at between 40 degrees and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. 70 to 80 degrees is ideal. Any additional remediation or restoration services should be done prior to or after the odor mitigation services. Make sure that wet textiles do not exist in the building, including carpets, towels, mats, and clothes and washers. Carpet cleaning should take place before the vapor treatment and should be dry. Soft contents should be cleaned and dried prior to the vapor treatment. Walls, hard floors, and ceilings should be cleaned prior to the vapor treatment. No reoccupancy of the space should take place until the chlorine dioxide levels are equal to or less than 0.01 part per million. Additional best practices for multifamily dwellings include: seal off all doors to common areas. Seal off all wall penetrations including pipe chases, vent fans to the attic, switches, and wall outlets. Post danger signage on all entry doors. Seal all entry doors prior to departing. Additional commercial and industrial best practices include: Document schedules and notifications required to meet the needs of the cleaning crews, production, and maintenance staff so as to avoid entry of employees and contractors during the chlorine dioxide odor elimination services. Lockout-tagout services should be considered for all entry points. The following are procedures for chlorine dioxide vapor treatment. Prior to beginning procedures, the technician setting up the chlorine dioxide treatment should be in PPE as previously mentioned. Begin with clean mix containers ranging from 4 ounces to 5 gallons. Add water into each container prior to the chemical. Add the dry chlorine dioxide chemical components to the water and gently mix until nearly dissolved. When working with 2-part kits, dilute each part individually before combining. Run the efficiency system tube into the chlorine dioxide liquid concentrate and turn it on. Repeat this process for each additional system as needed. Allow to dwell for the prescribed time. Dwell times can be reduced by dividing liquid concentrates into 2 containers with separate efficiency systems. The remaining waste is salt and water. Flush each bucket down the toilet or pour into a sink for disposal. Use a ULV fogger to mist 32 ounces of oxypar LR per 25,000 cubic feet to eliminate the pool odor. Test the space with your chlorine dioxide meter to ensure the levels are below 0.01 part per million before authorizing reoccupancy of the space. All Enviroguard products described in this video can be found at EnviroguardDirect.com or call us at 828-548-3900 for more information.